Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to see Apple ID password on iPhone. So for this purpose, here you have this passwords app in your mobile device. This passwords app is only in iOS 18.1. Once you open this passwords app, then this type of page will appear on your screen. Then here you have different options. You simply need to click on all. And here in the search bar, you simply need to search for Apple. Once you type Apple, then apple.com will appear on your screen. If it's not appear, then here one more method is that go to Chrome. In Chrome, at the bottom right corner, you have these three dots. Click on it. Then this page will pop up. Here you have this option, Password Manager. You simply need to tap on it. Then for opening this page, Face ID is required. Then in the search bar, you simply need to search for apple.com. If you had saved Apple password in your password manager, then it will appear on your screen. If it's also not work, then the next step is that go to Settings app. Then here click on Apple account option. Here you have this option Sign in and Security. You simply need to click on it. Then this page will pop up on your screen. Here in Security, you have the option of Change Password. You simply need to click on it. Once you click on Change Password, then what you need to do, enter your screen passcode. And once you enter screen passcode, then that page will pop up on your screen where you have to enter new password and then retype it. Then the fourth and the last step is that go to Google. Here in the search bar, you simply need to search for iforgot.apple.com. Once you write it in your search bar, then you are direct on this page. Here you have the option of reset password. You can also reset your password from here. Then this page will pop up. Here again click on reset my password and then you can reset your Apple account password. So this is how you can see Apple ID password on iPhone. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching.